Hi guys, a very happy new year to you. Hope so you have set your financial goals, personal goals, and whatnot. Of course, you have taken a gym membership too. So let's talk about how to achieve your financial goals. So whatever financial goals you're trying to achieve, make sure they're very into your estimations and very into your budget. So for each and every activity, financial goals, you will have to decide and budget for that particular thing. For example, if you want to buy a car or you wanted to buy an iPhone or anything, it could be a very small thing or a very big achievements, but all these things will depend only if you have a proper planning. So first of all, you need to decide a proper budget for this. Once you're decided with the budget, you have to decide how much long time you wanted to take this. Like for example, you wanted to buy a car, but do you willing to buy in 2026 or are you planning for a long term for a 3 years? So it depends. So as per your estimations, you can decide that. Once your budget is decided, when your time frame is decided, you can create an SIP for each and every goal. So what minimum amount of SIP I should start is a basic question. So you can take an SIP basic on the calculation of EMI. Assume that you are basically going to purchase it. So how much will you pay each and every day for that particular goal? So for example, if you are buying a certain thing of 20 lakhs for just in a 1 year, so you can just create an EMI calculator and calculate the EMI for 20 lakhs for a 1 year, and whatever amount is coming, you can create an SIP for that particular thing. So in this way, you can live your future dreams. It's very easy to achieve your financial goals. Many a times people do is that they are not consistent with their SIPs, so they can't achieve those goals, and they're just merely dreaming with the estimations. Oh, I'll do this or I'll do that. So don't do those mistakes. Make sure even if you don't have set any financial goals, you set an SIP just for your better, safer future. Make an habit for investment. This year, make sure that after every month, when you get a salary or your cash flows are flowing from your business or any activity that you're taking for your earnings, make sure that you make a proper investment plans. At least make some SIPs for your future goals